this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger LARIAT. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, got some nice mud flaps on the back and front, gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, side view camera. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months. And move to the front, we got front park sensing, block heater, license plate bracket, front view camera, some nice cool decals on the hood, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the back here, we can see this vehicle does stay up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, some storage, USB and USB-C, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. And we do get under-seat storage as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, power folding mirrors, you got memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 19.5 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. It's also heated, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get my view, trip and feel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select here, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, drive modes, traction, 4-wheel drive, cup holders, little storage slot here. You can put your phone here, USB and USB-C, with storage below and a 12-volt. You do get your basic climate controls right here. You got your hazards, all that jazz, volume, storage above, below, and a nice powered rear window opener. We get a garage door transmitter as well. Nice big infotainment system with your audio that has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Climate controls at the bottom. Dual climate up front with heated front seats and heated steering wheel. We got your apps here, such as your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, zone lighting, vehicle settings here. Just all your basic stuff. You got auto hold as well. 360 view of the vehicle where you can change the camera angles as well and turn off your park sensing. We also do get your phone capabilities right here, so you can easily connect your phone. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE01801, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.